Term weighting determines how semester and final marks are calculated. Semester mark is the average of all assignments up to the second quarter. In a rolling gradebook, we use the second quarter assignments to calculate semester mark because the second quarter assignments include first quarter assignments. The final mark is the average of all assignments for the whole year. We can use the fourth quarter assignments to determine the final mark because fourth quarter includes first, second, third, and fourth quarter assignments. Once you have filled this in, you can apply this to all of your classes, regardless of the class. Even if it is a different subject, you can apply it to all classes. Once you update, you should see that the first semester is calculated based on the second quarter, and the final mark is calculated based on the fourth quarter.